बहुजन समाज की हर खबर पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें अम्बेडकर पीपल्स वॉइस और बेल आइकन दबाएं।
Thank you,
श्रीमती संगीता आजाद जी।
thank you, Chairperson Ma'am, for allowing me to speak on Banking Regulation Amendment Ordinance 2020. The Banking Regulation Act 1949 is the primary law that regulates the banks in India. However, the banking sector in India has witnessed multiple large-scale frauds, many of which have arisen as a result of governance issues within the banks. The Banking Regulation Amendment Ordinance was accordingly promulgated on 26 June 2020 in pursuance of the commitment of Government of India to ensure safety of depositors across the bank. Our party BSP and our National President Behan Kumari Mayawati ji welcomed this bill with few suggestions. The amendment made in this ordinance is a welcome step in ensuring great transparency and better governance of the cooperative banks. But by putting such cooperative banks under complete supervision of RBI creates a potential risk of misuse of such powers by the RBI and the central government. The management of cooperative bank has traditionally been domain of local members of state government. Now, the RBI would have all the powers to take control over the management of these banks, which will cause conflicts between RBI and the state government for political issues. The bill raises question of cross-holding depositors within these cooperative banks in some states. Cooperative banks typically hold deposits for other credit societies and also housing societies, as local law mandate that the societies compulsory keep their deposit with such banks. In spite of such crisis, the bill only tackles regulation of paid up share capital and securities by cooperative banks and do not address the issue of cross-holding of deposit, which is one of the structural problems with the cooperative bank. Lastly, the government should look into converting these cooperative banks to small finance bank to effectively regulate the institution and increase the bank reach to small depositors in the rural and semi-rural areas. I would request the government to consider my proposed suggestion. I welcome the bill. Thank you.